This is John Adam with DS Diving. I'm here with your boat, Abaco Dreams. Today is 1/25/24, and I'm doing an after clean video for you. Dane told me that you mentioned something about being wrong with the trim tabs. There is low visibility right now. I cleaned them up, checked them really well. I couldn't see any problems with them, but I'll get a good video of them for you. Alright, here we go. There's the 10 tabs. I'm going to go ahead and show you the hole now. Here we go. Go ahead and show the other side. Alright, thank you for choosing DS Diving.